What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, guys. So today we're actually taking a look at the evolution of my character, guys, since I got Robux. So basically, this is the farthest I can like trace back to with Colin. So you can see me here. Alright, so basically, alright guys, so basically, I just got the Lamborghini, guys, and I'm trying to think of. Alright, this was August 14th. So basically, he got the sports car, yeah, because he got like the Porsche. Alright, and me and Colin had the same hat. Alright, I'm trying to find it. Alright guys, so this is the first trace back. Alright guys, so that's my first character. Now let's get on to the next one. Guys, it's weird how my voice changes, like in these videos. Like it was just... Alright, so here's Colin. Alright, so... Alright, actually let's go back a little bit. Alright. Alright, so here I am wearing the same stuff. Colin changed to Dragon, so basically I wear that the whole entire video. It's actually Colin though. Alright. Oh, I turned the sound off. Alright, so basically that's my character then. And let's actually head back. Go a little bit more forward. Then we come to the SWAT hack. Alright, so my character here, I'm wearing the SWAT stuff, so I don't actually know what I'm wearing, but I have the sloth. And then glitch, that probably shows it. Alright, so there I'm wearing army stuff with the red hat again, guys. I guess that was like my best friend. Alright, and then, yeah, my character pretty much looks the same. It stays the same for months and months. So that's a thing. Alright, let's head here. This might just be... Oh, yep. Same. Colin changed his a little bit. Oh, okay, I'm wearing the Team Sloth, Team Turtle stuff, so... November 10th, so actually before August, because I had it, I don't know, probably June I got Robux, so June, July, oh my gosh. Alright, so basically 5 months, my character looked pretty much exactly the same. And then, alright, that's the same day, and then that obviously looks... Alright, and then Colin literally just stopped the top hat phase, so... And then my voice is a lot lower here. Alright, this is where we had the wings and stuff. So let's see if I can get a close shot of me. Here. Oh, there we go, guys. You can kind of guess this is the last video we made on the channel, January 11th, and that is what I look like. So there you have that. And then we come to what I wore after that. I had this, obviously, and yeah, that's what I looked like for a while. And then I went to this. And then I went to this dino. This was all for a long time. And then I came to this. And then, oh wait, I didn't mean to do that. And then I have to go to like this, this, and then animation pack. I have to put on my levitation animation, because that's the one I'm rocking with right now, guys. So we gotta go with it. And that is basically that's basically what I wore, and hopefully I can get back to that channel soon, because I feel like it's long overdue. And we made all the videos private, but I might start doing it public. Not really sure yet, but yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. And I have both the crowns. Not all of them, but I have the jade and the copper, guys. And if you wanted me to show you how to get the jailbreak one and how to get the Phantom Forces one, the jade and the copper, just tell me, guys, and I will do it on another account, guys. And I think, hopefully, actually, might have ended. Let's check it. It might have ended. Nope, it's still going. It's still going, guys. We gotta do it all today then. So, just tell me if you want to see that. So yeah.